Come more over here, so your feet don't burn too much. As much. Oh, I have to go back up. Whew. I don't want to stop. I don't want to stop. This is hurt. It's hot sand. What do you mean? It is. What do you mean? Okay.
Spam of it, real quick.
Is that a koi fish?
Yeah, it is. Oh, look at it. Wow.
What scam?
The koi.
Huh? What?
God, we could have brought our koi and set them free up here. Koi fish, see them?
Oh.
3 of them. There's 1, 2, 3 of them. Like what Grandma had. Remember? Grandma had koi fish.
Hi, ducks.
Did you get spam with the camera real quick?
I already have.
A picture of all this? Are you filming right now?
I'm filming, yes.
You're filming the walk over?
Yes, I've been filming this entire time.
Said we have to stick together!
Look here, it has a little spray part over here.
Ah, it does.
Yeah. Oh, it worked!
You point it up.
Can I do it?
Far apart.
Come on. We can go together or something.
Yeah.
Let me ask or not. Run, 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 run.
Ah. Ah. Keep on going. They'll catch up.
They don't know how to do. Can we go together or no?
Alright.
Hello.
Late legend.
Oh, it's not going that fast.
Yeah, just make sure not to skip the line. Stay right here. Stay right
They're
here.
coming.
They're coming. Stay in line.
I'm just gonna wait for them.
They're coming down right behind us.
This one's faster.
They're going to be right behind us. We can't go down at the same time, even if they're here. We still have to wait for them.
You guys ready to go?
Oh my god! Oh, jeez. Oh my god! Oh! I got it on film this time. It stopped recording when I went down the first time.
Oh.